We started.
So, may mission na naman tayo ngayong gabi. Maulan na gabi pero tuloy pa rin. Pupuntahan natin si MC Dudes. Si MC Dudes, kung di nyo nakikilala, isa siyang battle MC rito sa Taiwan. Tsaka isa rin siyang rapper. Ito lang siya, kapitbahay lang namin siya siguro. 2 kanto lang, nandiyan na kami. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin natin dun ngayon. Ha? Pero bago yun, papadala muna tayo ng parcel. Hassle muna, ha?
Got so much shit to do. Don't even know where to start. Be here forever. I think that's the plan, you know. Start here, end up there.
Dito na tayo sa tarima ni MC Dudes. Tignan natin kung anong meron dun. Tara.
Yeah. Wake up. I don't wanna wake up.
Maangas sa kanta, pero broken real life. Nakatira pa din sa parents niya. Damn life.
Yeah, I'm straight, never switch lane. On my job every day, cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way, and I hardly ever sleep, but it's like a dream. I don't wanna wake up from.
Peso mano empty, pocket di na empty. Check mo laman ng bank, lalong dumadami.
Wake up, I don't wanna wake up from. Don't wanna wake up from.
KFC, Kanto Fried Chicken. Then eggs. Ayos na yan.
Long days, but I know hard work pays, so the money get long too, and the kush smells strong too. That's that good, and the chick with me, she the bomb too.
Pagkakuha ko ng cash, benta bounce alis agad. Araw-araw hustling, kaya mahal ako ni God.
One thing I know is go hard young, make fake niggas know this. Blowing money cause you dying if you.
Shorty, alam mo ako isang... Shorty, alam mo, Shorty. Shorty, alam mo ako'y soldier. Money in the tank, come over. Gusto night, kalimutan maging sober. Humit-hit, binuga, game over.
Don't live, that's how you know that I was fly when I wrote this. First class tags, or maybe I'm in first cause of my first.
May baon na stash, sa bulsa at cash. Kahit saan mo ko dalin may ilalabas.
Class swag, used to say that I was tripping, so a nigga bought expensive ass.
So yun na nga, no. Inabot na tayo ng oras na 3:30 ng umaga. Natapos yung session natin doon kay MC Dudes. So abangan nyo na lang yung tracks na yun, okay? Alam mo na yan, right?
Yeah, I'm straight, never switch lanes. On my job every day, cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way, and I hardly ever sleep, but it's